Hello mga kabugtit! Welcome back to my channel again. Right, for today's event, we are gonna try this Seattle Christmas market at downtown near the Space Needle. Si Mrs. nasa likod at si Stella. Hey guys, look behind. Look what Myra is holding. Boodle. So we're gonna use this for our next upcoming vlogs.
Friday.
Para mas ma-enjoy nyo yung panood nyo sa amin. So, alright, supportahan nyo kami. Let's go!
Meanwhile,
Hey guys, nakapag-park na kami. Nandito kami sa ilalim ng Space Needle. So, dito si Mrs. Hoy, saan ka punta? Dito sa kanan. Si Stella, tsaka si Mrs. Nandito siya. Pulot si Stella. Alright. Dito, babe. Let's go, guys. Dito na kami sa loob. Walking from the parking lot. Alright, diretso. Walking tayo, guys. Walking. Current temperature 48 degrees Fahrenheit outside here at Seattle, Washington. So, kaya naka-layered kami. So, naka-t-shirt ako, long sleeve. Outer layer is a cotton vest. Si Missy, naka-beanie, popper. Ano yung panloob, Bert?
Heat tech.
Naka-heat tech na long sleeve siya. Tapos si Stella, one layer sa loob. Pero napakakapal ng ng outer layer niya. Tapos naka-beanie din siya. Maangas tingnan mo. Maangas Alright. So, lights are out. Ito, baby, entrance. Baka may CR naman sa loob. Dito na yun, Seattle Christmas Market. Entrance is going towards there. Let's go. Food trip doon, tas mga lights sa loob. Let's go. Ano yun? Yun nandun. Availan lang ng ticket siguro doon. Ayun, no? Pero inano ko na yung online yung tickets natin. So, rekta pasok na. Hindi pa madilim na madilim Pero it's okay.
Mamaya didilim na rin.
Dito na kami sa main entrance ng Seattle Christmas Market. So, may pila. Ay, ito. Pwede ba dyan? Pwede ba tayo dyan? Kasi may baby tayo. Sige, dyan na lang din. Sa regular.
To ride on our famous carousel. To ensure a smooth entry for all guests, please have your tickets ready to be scanned by our friendly team members. Season pass holders, ensure your ID is available. Have your bags open and prepared for inspection. For the safety.
Kakadaan lang namin ng entrance. So, ito agad, bungad agad. Yeah. Doon tayo banda sa Christmas tree. Beautiful. Lights agad. Time check, guys. Dito sa Seattle, pag 4:30ish, papuntang 5, paggabi na. What does it say, babe? Do you know what does it say? Pros Fest? Frohes Fest? Yeah? Pakita mo kay Stella yung mga lights kapag iharap mo sa kanya. May mga merch din sila, 2025 collectible mug, 2024 vintage mug, love locks, tote bag, beanie, koozies, hand warmers. Christmas lights on the train. What's that, Stella?
Nakatingin sa akin. Lights! Wow! Ayun na, nakatingin na siya.
Nakatingin na. Eating place. Pagkatapos mo kumuha ng food natin. Wow!
Yun na may
Ang ganda talaga eh, no? Ang dami oh. Madaming mapaprovide ang Seattle Christmas Market. Beer house, apple cider house, hot chocolate house. Oh. Perfect! May bratwurst din. Bratwurst, babe, oh. Yung kagaya sa Leavenworth. Ang daming ganap. Guys, ang daming food dito. House de kebabs. Kebab. Fired roasted meats over here. Schnitzel house. Ang daming food eh. Foodie food ah. Casa de Paella.
sana sa Christmas.
Oo nga eh. Ang dami ba, Stella? Madami matitake in.
Matatamis.
Das Raclette House. Mga kakaiba yan, no?
Ay, ito yung carousel.
Yung carousel. Sabaw din, no? European food. Ukrainian homemade traditional. Goulash. Potato twisters. Bebe, gusto mo yun, di ba? Potato twisters. Ano yun? Potato twisters? Okay. Pila kami sa potato twisters. So, let's get it. Sour and cream? Onion? Guys, we got the tornado potato, and then we're gonna get the sour cream and onion. We got one order, hati kami ni Mrs. Okay, alright. First food na matitikman is tornado potato. Yum.
Sarap.
Stella, gatas lang kakainin mo. Sour cream onion? Yes. The flavor is sour cream onion, tornado potato. Bigyan mo ako ba? No. Sambong malaking potato na yan, no?
15 lang, ha?
Kind of pricey, but you know, sometimes lang, my experience. Expensive tornado. Na tornado na yung pera mo.
Ay, 15 lang, ha?
Stroop waffles, doon. Stroop waffles. Wooden gifts. Macarons. Macadons. Macarons. Chocolate. Galing. That's fancy tea house. Sourdough house. Mini pie. Cute. Lover's Lane. Ang ganda guys. Lover's Lane. Goodbye.
Ano ikot natin?
Pwede, ganun. Tapos balik tayo. Puro souvenirs dito. Tapos shirt and stuff. Sa likod ka daan. Ornaments. Olive. Bee, oh honey, oh. Bees in the burp. City. Ba't tumatawa? Ano nakikita mo? Ilaw naman.
Papabuhat.
Papabuhat. Nasa carrier na si Stella. Dami mo nakikita, Stella. Ang kitin sa lights. Ganda. Wala na. Sabi ko na ba, paglabas mo, rat-rat ka kay nanay mo. Wala na, bugbog na yung pisngi mo.
Goo goo gaga. I want milk.
Hey guys,
What's that?
we got hot cocoa loaded. Nice. Comes with the candy cane. Tapos Christmas
Marshmallow.
colored na parang
Marshmallow sprinkles.
yeah, sprinkles tapos marshmallow.
How is it?
Hindi ko alam kung paano kainin yung ano.
Marshmallow? Sarap.
Warm siya. Hot siya. Ang ganda
Hot
sa cold.
wa-
Ang ganda sa cold weather. Si Mrs. naman ang titikim. Nice cocoa loaded. Comes with marshmallows, Christmas color,
Sprinkles.
sprinkle, and the candy cane hanging on top. Good for warm weather. So, sarap siya. Yeah. Ano rate mo?
9 out of
9 out of 10. Good. 9 out of 10. Ang ganda. Alright guys. Second one, strawberry Nutella croissant. Ito, sa may crabs and truffle. Ito. Try mo na. Taste test. Yun. Yun. Yum, yum, yum.
Sarap.
Sarap.
Sino kaya sila ang tinido?
Right. Third one, we're gonna try crepe. Strawberry choco crepe. Kasi ata yung sounds nila.
Now, in that space, I was not anybody besides. It's probably
Nice.
also still.
Uncle right here from Waianae, west side. We get ribs, get huli chicken over there. Yes, and pork belly right there. Raj. That's what it right there. Break through huli. So, west side, Waianae. Okay, fourth one. Ribs and chicken with rice.
Do a funny one, guys. Do a funny one.